Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics 10. So in this video, I'm going to talk about actions in Photoshop. So by using actions, we can save us a lot of time and effort. Actions are very easy to use and at the same time, they are very useful. So let's get started. So first of all, to access the actions panel, we need to go to Window and Actions. Now, what action really do? They record whatever action we perform. They basically record it, and later on, if we need the same effect to a different image, we can simply apply the entire effect in one click. So let me show you that. So in this particular example, I will create a skin retouching effect, and then I'm going to try it on another image by clicking on only the action and applying it directly. So for that, I'm going to create first duplicates, like duplicate layer, one more duplicate layers, so couple of duplicate layers. Now I'm going to convert each layer into a smart object. So right click and convert to smart object again on this one, and just remember, make them smart object separately. What I mean by that is we shouldn't right click, we shouldn't first make a smart object and then duplicate it. That won't work actually. So first create couple of layers and then convert them into smart object separately, only then it will work, this effect. So for again, now I'm going to revert this because I haven't started the actions panel. I forgot that. So first we need to create an action folder right over here. First create a folder and name it whatever you want. So I will name it skin. Then inside that folder we need to create action itself. So click. Now I'm going to name it effect. Now if you want, we can choose function key. It is not compulsory. Again, we can choose different colors, but I'm not going to do this. So press record. Once you press record, it will start recording. Whatever we do, it records. So record. Now it started, and until we stop it by clicking on this button, it will record everything that we do from now on. So again, I'm going to right click, duplicate. Okay, as you can see, this is recording our every move. Again, duplicate layer, as you can see. Now separately convert to smart object. Here, as you can see, it records everything. Now again, I'm going to hide this particular layer, top layer, and I'm going to apply blur filter. So Gaussian blur. Now I'm going to keep it to, let's say, and again I'm trying to get a skin retouching or skin refining effect. Now I'm just looking for the balance between this pupil and the white portion. Increase it until we cannot differentiate between the pupil and the white area in the eye. So this looks good to me, but let's say we are not satisfied with this effect. We can simply go to blur again, Gaussian blur, double click, and we can change it. Since we have applied this particular effect on a smart object, that is one more benefit of creating a smart object, that we can change the effect value anytime that we want. From here, double click. Now again, unhide the top layer and change the blending mode or layer style to linear light, this one, linear light, and go to filter, go to other, and apply high pass. As you can see, we are getting the skin texture, and if you want different values, we can play with the radius, and if you want finer, we can go to left, and if you want slightly bigger effect, texture effect, we can go to right. So this looks good to me. So again, I'm going to press OK. Again, if you are not satisfied with this effect afterwards, we can simply go to high pass double click and we can change it, but this looks good to me. And again, this action panel is recording everything that we are doing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select both these layers by clicking, press and hold Control key or Command key and convert them into a group. You can rename this double clicking by double clicking this, but I'm keeping it as it is. Now we are going to add a layer mask to it. Now I'm going to stop the action because the actions after this will be different for different images, because the area will be different. The image area won't be the same for everything, so image area will be different. So we are going to stop, or we already stopped at this particular step. Now we don't have to, let's say I want to apply the same effect to this particular image, so I don't have to perform all the steps that I just created. We can simply go to this effect, we can hide or unhide and simply click on play. So it will automatically apply everything that we just did. So that is the benefit of using actions in Photoshop. We can save us a lot of time and effort. As you can see, each and every step is created over here. After this, we can do some minor adjustment because we need to apply the skin retouching texture only on the skin, but as you can see, it is everywhere on the image, like hair, lips, eyes. So we are going to click on this particular layer mask and we are going to apply the black color. We can simply paint this, or we can use the paint bucket tool. So the black color is already selected on the foreground, so I'm going to simply click, as you can see. So this will hide the entire effect. So how do we unhide the effect? We can simply use the brush and we can use the white color. As you already know, when you use layer mask, black color hides and white color unhides. So I'm going to use the brush, soft brush and white color. Now I'm only going to paint the skin area like so. So this is, I'm applying the skin retouching effect or skin texture effect. So my point is, we don't need to create the entire effect each and every time. We can simply click and apply the same effect to any image that we want, any number of times. So that's why the actions effect is very useful, before and after, as you can see. So this is how we can use actions effectively in Photoshop. That will save us a lot of time and effort. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.